I lost my passport. Judy walks into a police station and consults the front desk.
What seems to be the problem?
My passport is missing, so I'd like to file a police report.
Sure. Can you tell me where and when you lost it?
I'm not sure. I went for a walk around Dadaocheng yesterday afternoon and then went to Raohe Night Market for dinner, so I might have lost it at one of those locations.
I see. And when did you realize it was lost?
This morning after breakfast, I was packing my things to check out of my hotel when I noticed it was nowhere to be found.
All right, next I'll need to see your identification card and one other form of ID, such as a driver's license, credit card, or a copy of your passport.
Here's my visa and driver's license. What are the chances that my passport will be found?
If you dropped it, I'd say the chances are quite high. People here in Taiwan have the habit of turning lost items into the nearest police or metro stations. If it is found, I'm sure we'll be notified soon.
That's great to hear. I still have a couple of days left here in Taiwan. Hopefully, I can get it back before then.
Sure, we'll let you know. But first, please complete the police report so we have all of your information. Also, make sure to include a phone number so that we can contact you.
Here you go. Thank you so much.